Take a look at this premium cardstock pack that I was given so I could give you guys a review. I loved how nice and thick this was. You can see I'm tearing it. You would actually see the layers of the paper in there. I love that it is meant also for inkjet printers, so it's just so easy to be able to use, and I was really impressed with just how easy it was to be able to print on these. This is going to be perfect to create little invitations and cards. You can see that I decided to give it a little test by printing out some coloring pages so that I could color with my little one, and they were so great. I love having that thick quality. I usually print things out just on printer paper. This really takes it to the next level, and it's actually something you could keep and even frame if you wanted to. It is at 8.5 by 11, so it's perfect to be able to do those custom invitations or make a cute little greeting card. I loved all of the different uses. We decided to also do an arts and crafts project, and this was fantastic because it was able to really hold and dry with the paint, and it didn't seep or soak through. It didn't tear the paper. It was so much fun to be able to use. As a mom, this is definitely something I would suggest having on hand because there are just so many uses for it. And if you quick need a birthday card, or if you are planning a birthday party for your little one, or even Valentine's for their little school friends, there are so many uses. My husband's birthday is coming up, and so we are going to make him a little I love Dada birthday card. And so it is just so cute, and it really does take the next level away from just being printer paper. It also works really great if you do any tracing, or if you are going to create any sort of scenes with dinosaurs. There are so many ways that you can use this. I would definitely recommend checking it out.